It does oddly kind of look like me.
That's how a man bounces.
Exactly. Just a reminder, kids, just because it's a rub doesn't mean that you should rub one out with it. Burns inside the pee hole. Then your face looks like this. Pain is good. Not so much in that situation, though. Get out of here, Frankie. Let me have my moment. Let me have my moment. You're ruining it. You're ruining it. No, you don't need to use that much foil, but what I like to do sometimes, like if I'm doing this by myself, is I'll pull out a lot of foil, and then I'll turn myself into the Tin Man, and I'll reenact some scenes out of The Wizard of Oz. Okay? I mean, you can do other things. It's just what I'm into. Hi. Here at BarbecueSauceDepot.com, we practice safe barbecuing. That means wrap it before you tap it. And never use lighter fluid around an open flame. That's the spot. With Frankie licking my ear, I'm about to have an old face like this guy.
The recipe says that these need to go together. Can't figure it out.
Cherry rub, barbecue sauce. Even Darth Vader can't touch that. Here at BarbecueSauceDepot.com, we practice safe barbecuing. Meaning never stick your meat in unfamiliar territory. Because your face might end up looking like that.
Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me.
Or if you just sit home by yourself, eat a lonely little sandwich that's still delicious. Matt's watch looks like he got it out of a crane machine. It's a good looking fucking pig, I'll tell you that much.
Face. Bucket penguin.
Bang, 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 bang,